Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic video by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app here. Now tap on the video and here select the original video of yours. Now tap on the check mark and in here I'm going to add filters on it. I'm going to add this filter and I'm going to adjust it a little white, and here I'm going to adjust the lightness, the contrast, and also I'm going to adjust the saturation of this video, and here tap on the check mark, and now I'm going to add PIP on it. I'm going to select a white background and here I'm going to extend it. Now add a blend on it. Now tap on overlay and now tap on the check mark, and now let's watch this video. Here I'm going to add transitions. For this I'm going to split it, and here you guys can add transition like this. I'm going to put the transition here also. Now let's watch the video. So this is how you guys can create a cinematic video by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.